Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account with WhatsApp. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. Now from the search box, simply type in and search for WhatsApp. Once you find the application, you can simply tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of WhatsApp. Wait for a while until the installation is complete, and then when you see the open button, you can tap on it to open up the app. You will now be asked to select your language. Just select your desired language and tap on the arrow button at the bottom right corner. Now tap on Agree and Continue, and you will be asked to enter your phone number to sign up. Select your country from the drop-down menu and then type in your phone number. Then tap on the next button and you will need to verify that this is your correct phone number. Tap on the OK button to verify. Now after confirming your phone number, you will need to verify it. Simply tap on Continue and then the Allow button and you will receive an SMS or a missed call containing your verification code. This will automatically detect the verification code and now you can simply tap on the Continue button to proceed with your account. If you want to allow access to your contacts, tap on the Allow button and allow various access based on your requirements. Now you can set up your profile. Simply type in your desired username, and you can also set up your picture by tapping on the camera icon. After setting up your profile, simply tap on the Next button, and now your profile has been set up. You can immediately start chatting with your friends and make audio as well as video calls. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create your new account with WhatsApp. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.